How to turn up green dot on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn up the green dot that appears when an app is using your camera. So first, when you see the green dot at the top right of your iPhone, it means an app is using your camera. Tap on the battery icon to open the control center and you will see which app is using the camera, like Instagram in this case. To stop the green dot, you need to stop the app from using the camera. Swipe up to go to your home screen and find the Instagram app. Swipe up on the app to close it, and that will stop the camera from being used. If you want to stop Instagram from using your camera altogether, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and tap Camera. Find Instagram in the list and toggle it off to revoke camera access. And that's it. You have now learned how to stop the green dot on your iPhone when apps like Instagram are using your camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.